Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really special to share with you, a topic that's been making waves in the health world, GLUCOMANNAN. But wait, before you think this is just another fleeting trend, let me tell you right away, this is a game changer for weight management. Have you ever thought that losing weight meant turning to expensive, complicated medications, possibly with side effects? Well, today I'm going to show you that there's a natural, safe, and surprisingly affordable way that could truly change your approach to weight loss. And yes, we're talking about GLUCOMANNAN, an incredible plant-based fiber that has shown real, tangible scientific benefits. This isn't just a fad, it's a natural revolution in the world of wellness. But wait, there's more. In today's video, we'll discover together how GLUCOMANNAN works, the incredible benefits it brings to your body, and how you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine for results that will leave you speechless. I also have some super practical tips for you to help you get the most out of it and achieve the results you've always wanted. Before we dive into the heart of the video, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any updates. And if you find this video helpful, give it a like and share it with friends or family. This information could really be useful to someone. Stay with us until the end, because what I'll show you today could completely transform the way you think about health and weight management. What is GLUCOMANNAN? GLUCOMANNAN is a soluble fiber extracted from the root of the konjac plant, scientifically known as Amorphophallus konjac. It's native to Asia and has been used for centuries in traditional Japanese cuisine, such as in the famous shirataki noodles. These noodles are particularly loved for their ability to absorb liquids and serve as a low-calorie alternative to traditional carbohydrates. But GLUCOMANNAN isn't just a food fiber used in cooking. It has numerous health benefits that make it a true natural ally for weight management, gut health, and much more. When ingested, GLUCOMANNAN expands in the stomach, absorbing water and creating a feeling of fullness that helps control appetite. The science behind GLUCOMANNAN. To truly understand why GLUCOMANNAN is so effective for weight loss, it's important to explore how it works in our body. The soluble fiber it contains is unique because it can absorb up to 60 to 100 times its weight in water. When we consume it, GLUCOMANNAN expands in the stomach, slows down the digestive process, and helps control appetite. Scientific studies support GLUCOMANNAN's effectiveness as a tool for weight control. For example, a study published in the International Journal of Obesity showed that participants who took GLUCOMANNAN for 8 weeks lost an average of 2.5 kilograms without making any changes to their diet or exercise routine. Why it works? Feeling of fullness. The fiber absorbs water and expands in the stomach, creating a feeling of fullness that can reduce the amount of food you consume during meals. Slowing digestion. GLUCOMANNAN slows digestion, meaning nutrients are absorbed more slowly. This can help keep blood sugar levels stable, preventing sudden spikes and crashes that often lead to hunger. Blood sugar control. One of the most fascinating aspects of GLUCOMANNAN is its effect on blood sugar levels. The slower absorption of sugars into the bloodstream can be particularly useful for people with insulin resistance or those at risk of prediabetes. According to a study from Humanitas, GLUCOMANNAN has been linked to improvements in blood sugar management. The benefits of GLUCOMANNAN: weight loss and beyond. While most people know GLUCOMANNAN for its positive effect on weight control, this incredible supplement also has a range of other health benefits we can't ignore. Weight loss. GLUCOMANNAN has been shown to reduce food intake and improve weight management naturally, without resorting to drastic diets or expensive pharmaceutical treatments. Taking GLUCOMANNAN 30 minutes before meals can reduce appetite, helping you consume fewer calories. Cardiovascular health. Several studies have highlighted how GLUCOMANNAN can lower LDL cholesterol levels, known as bad cholesterol, and reduce triglycerides in the blood. A healthy heart is essential for overall well-being, and adding GLUCOMANNAN to your diet could be an important step in improving cardiovascular health. Gut health. As a prebiotic fiber, GLUCOMANNAN nourishes the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome and improving digestion. It can help regulate bowel movements, reduce bloating, and prevent constipation, a problem that many people struggle with. Improved glycemic control. As mentioned earlier, by slowing down the absorption of sugars, GLUCOMANNAN helps stabilize blood glucose levels. This is particularly beneficial for those with insulin resistance or at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Skin support. A healthy gut often translates to healthier skin. Since GLUCOMANNAN helps maintain the balance of the gut microbiome, which promotes clearer and more radiant skin, you may notice improvements in your appearance as well. How to use GLUCOMANNAN. Now that we know how powerful this natural supplement is, let's see how to easily incorporate it into your routine. Available forms. GLUCOMANNAN is available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, powder, and even as an ingredient in foods like shirataki noodles. If you're looking for a convenient and practical form, capsules are probably the best choice. But if you enjoy cooking, you might want to try konjac noodles. Recommended dosage. The recommended dose for weight loss is 1 gram 3 times a day, about 30 minutes before meals. It's important to take GLUCOMANNAN with plenty of water, at least 1 full glass, to avoid potential digestive discomfort. Incorporate it into healthy meals. If you prefer not to take supplements in pill form, you can integrate GLUCOMANNAN into your diet by choosing shirataki noodles or konjac rice, a great low-calorie alternative to traditional carbohydrates like pasta or rice. Precautions to consider. As with any supplement, it's important to be mindful of certain precautions to ensure safe and effective use of GLUCOMANNAN. While it is generally considered safe for most people, there are a few things to consider before adding it to your routine. Let's take a look at what you should keep in mind to avoid any discomfort or unwanted side effects. Digestive issues. GLUCOMANNAN is a soluble fiber that, when it comes in contact with water in the digestive tract, expands, creating a feeling of fullness. However, this process can cause some initial side effects, especially for those not accustomed to large amounts of fiber. Bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort are common in the early stages of taking it. But don't worry. These effects tend to decrease over time as your body adjusts. To avoid discomfort, a helpful tip is to start with small doses and gradually increase the amount of GLUCOMANNAN over a couple of weeks. This way, you allow your gut to adjust without causing any discomfort. Also, taking GLUCOMANNAN with plenty of water is essential to prevent the fiber from becoming stuck in your stomach, reducing the risk of irritation or digestive issues. Interactions with medications. Even though GLUCOMANNAN is a natural supplement, it's always important to be cautious about potential drug interactions. If you're taking medications for blood sugar, like those for diabetes, or cholesterol, always consult your doctor before starting GLUCOMANNAN. For example, GLUCOMANNAN might interfere with the absorption of some medications, slowing their effectiveness. In particular, if you take medication to lower blood sugar, GLUCOMANNAN might enhance the hypoglycemic effect, lowering your sugar levels too drastically. If you're undergoing treatment for cholesterol problems, it's equally important to make sure GLUCOMANNAN doesn't interfere with the absorption of prescribed medications. Your doctor might suggest monitoring your blood sugar levels or adjusting your medication dosage based on how you respond to GLUCOMANNAN. The key is not to improvise and always consult a professional before making any changes to your health routine. Not suitable for everyone. While GLUCOMANNAN is generally safe, there are some medical conditions that may make it unsuitable for certain individuals. For example, if you have difficulty swallowing or a history of intestinal blockages, it's best to avoid GLUCOMANNAN. The fiber can expand in the stomach and intestines, and in rare cases, it might cause or worsen intestinal blockages. If you have a condition that affects your digestive system's ability to move food and liquids through the intestines, it's crucial to speak with a doctor before taking GLUCOMANNAN. This includes individuals with conditions like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. Even those with allergies or sensitivities to konjac, the plant from which GLUCOMANNAN is derived, should avoid this supplement. While allergies to konjac are rare, it's always good to be cautious and monitor for any reactions when taking it for the first time. GLUCOMANNAN is a powerful, natural, and affordable resource for those looking to lose weight and improve their health safely and sustainably. Not only does it help control appetite, But it also offers numerous other health benefits, such as improving cardiovascular health, managing blood sugar levels, and supporting gut health. If you're interested in trying glucomannan, make sure to do so responsibly. And if you have any doubts, consult your doctor or nutritionist for personalized advice. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell so you won't miss any updates. And as always, if you've had experience with glucomannan or other natural supplements, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.